स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ सिप्ला Q3 के रिजल्ट के बारे में। सिप्ला Q3 रिजल्ट डिस्क्लोज कर दिया कंपनी ने और नेट प्रॉफिट हुआ जो फॉल हुआ 57% टू 676 करोड़ ऑन लैंड्रियोटाइड प्रोडक्शन हेल्थ एंड इंडिया बिजनेस ग्रोथ 10%। Indian pharmaceutical major Cipla on Friday reported a sharp decline in the consolidated net profit for the third quarter of financial year 2025 to 2026. Q3 financial year 2026 plunging and 57 stood as on 675.80 crore. During the same period last year, the company had posted a net profit of 1,570.51 crore. On a sequential basis, the profit fell nearly 50% from 1,351.17 crore recorded in Q2 financial year 2026. Cipla Q3 result financial year 2026 net profit flunks 57% to 676 crore, aimed and Lanreotide in production, health and labor cost expensive. The decline was primarily attributed to a production that held and the company accessing and manufacturing facility to Lanreotide, Cipla's second largest revenue contribution, tumour therapy. In addition, a one-time expensive of 275.91 crore related to the compliance with the new labor code weighted heavily on the bottom line. Analysts had expected a new profit of 1,242 crore for the quarter, according to the LSEG data cited by Reuters. Cipla Q3 revenue remains the flat sequentially dips and observed Cipla revenue from operation for Q3 financial year 2026 remained largely flat year-on-year at 6,962.97 crore compared to 6,961.6 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. Sequentially, and however, revenue declined 6.5% from 7,447.42 crore in the previous quarter. The company earning before interest, tax, depreciation and the amortization fell sharply by 36.9% to 1,255 crore. Strong performance in India countered global weekends and region-wise Cipla India business delivered robust growth with the revenues rising 10% year-on-year to 3,457 crore.